Colons unleashed, elevate your writing in 60 seconds. Ready for a quick boost to your writing style? Today, we're unlocking the power of colons in under 60 seconds. A colon is your writing sidekick, adding clarity and flair. Ready for 5 quick examples? Favorites in 3 words: chocolate, ice cream, apple pie. Colons make lists a breeze. Succeeding in 1 word: determination. Colons clarify important connections. Seamless sentences? Easy. Cherish every moment, the secret to a happy life. Building suspense? He opened the box, a treasure from a forgotten era. Emphasize goals with style. Her goal? To make a difference. Colons are your secret weapon. Try them out, hit like if you loved it, and subscribe for more quick writing hacks. Happy writing, see you next time. To stay in the loop and catch all the upcoming engaging content we have planned, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.